Hey everyone, Tyler from Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about this two-piece exhaust manifold from Smeding Diesel. Now let's talk application. This exhaust manifold is designed for the Ram 25 and 3500s with the 6.7 Cummins in them, and at the time of this video, Smeding is the only company that offers a 5th gen exhaust manifold. Now the OEM manifold on your truck is a one-piece design and can warp and crack over time, and in many cases if you remove the OEM manifold you actually can't reinstall it because of the damage. When going to a two-piece manifold that's pressed together, it's going to allow it to expand and contract with heat cycles, reducing thermal fatigue and greatly expanding your manifold's life. This manifold is also semi-divided and higher flowing, so it's going to allow for faster turbo response and lower driving pressures. This manifold is cast of high-silicone ductile iron to withstand extreme temperatures, is fully EGR-compatible, and comes pre-drilled for pyrometer probes. And again, currently Smeding is one of the only manufacturers to offer an exhaust manifold for the 19 to 22 5th gen 2500 and 3500 Rams. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us via email or chats on the site. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.